Alright, this question asks us to write a Python program which accepts the radius of a circle from the user and compute the area of that circle. So first we need to get the radius from the user, right? So we need to use first input function. So input, parentheses, quotation mark, enter the radius. And then I'm going to store this input statement here in a variable called r for radius. Then I need to use this formula, right? So r multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi. That's how you calculate the area of a circle, right? But as you can see, there's a red underline here under pi. You see that below pi there's a red underline. So how you can solve this problem, because it's gonna get error, we need to solve it first. So import pi, import it from math library. So from math import pi, and as you can see that red underline is gone, so we're good to go. So we can store this formula in a variable called area. Then now we can basically calculate the area. So to show the user the result of all these calculations, print parentheses, quotation mark, the area of the circle equals alright, so beforehand we need to put area here, this area, but this area should be different from this one. So these are two distinct entities. How to make this one basically distinct? By using a curly bracket, and then you put f. So this is called f string. You can use variables inside the string by using this f before the quotation mark, and then use the variable in between these curly brackets. So now let's run the program, and alright, enter the radius. So I'm going to use 2. Then you see the program crashed. Why? Here is the thing. String and integer. So there is heterogeneous data here. Means that this radius that we asked user to enter here is a string basically, and you're gonna use that string here and multiply by 2, which is an integer, and then you're gonna multiply the whole thing by pi, which is a float. So basically let's use a float, because at the end of the day we need to multiply everything by pi, and pi is a float by nature, right? So let's put float here, and then now we can run the program. So enter the radius 2.5, and then you see that the area of the circle is this. And that's all about this tutorial.